Hi, good morning and welcome to Travels with the Russells.
Hello.
And here we are this morning in Paphos Old Town. So we're going to take you for a stroll around the Old Town, look at some sights, look at some of the new things that are going on here and see what's happening in Paphos Old Town. So come and join us. See you in a minute.
Grab your bags, it's time to go.
The old mosque up in town. Some of the mosques in Paphos are actually active. There are Muslim people here. Because it's a Sunday morning, some of these places are not open. Come up during the week. Although, actually, who knows? People sat looking at the views, whether the places might be open, might not be open, who knows? So the market area over here, I'm not going to, the market will be closed anyway, it is Sunday. Generally it's open in the mornings, the tourist market, and I have videos, if you look through my collection, of visiting the markets here. Large car park in front of the municipal market. And the sea and the harbour down there. There is you don't have to walk up the stairs, there is a glass elevator. In fact, there's two glass elevators that will bring you up to this level. And it's also where the 6:10 bus will drop you from the harbour. There's the second glass elevator and Cafe Nero at the top. Somewhere to sit and have a nice coffee with some distant sea views, town views. Normally during the week all these bars and restaurants would be open. Again, as I say, it is Sunday and they don't open. Some will. There's no rules or law says they can't open. As you can see, the places that are open are quite busy. Some of these little side street bars will open on an evening. Bank nightclub. They are constantly working, renovating these old buildings. I would guess somebody's crashed into these heavy granite bollards and gone through that shop window. Lovely. So the intercity buses if you want to go to Nicosia or Ayia Napa or Limassol Larnaca, up at the central bus station here in town, the intercity buses. So the Old Town Central bus station, as I was just saying, buses to well, anywhere on the island really, intercity, to the villages, over to Latchi. Oh, the bus station area, a few little cafes and things up here. modern, air conditioned. Of course, taxi stand right next to the bus station. Yep, these little courtyard cafes, restaurants, and bigger restaurants. Again, a lot of these open on an evening, so it makes quite a vibrant little town on a night time. So I will do an evening vlog, a nighttime vlog of the old town. So wait for that to come up. And see little shops, cafes, market. Nice cool breeze blowing through the marketplace. So during the week, these stalls, these shops would spill out into the streets. So you'd have kind of stalls everywhere around here. It's nice the way they've shaded it all. Long pin tables in there and stuff.
The iron gates of London rain to find the meridian where blue meets sun.
So some of the new work going on in the old town. We'll explore and when it's finished, possibly. But, water will be coming out of these spouts into this trophy kind of thing. So they have been working on this for some time, a number of years, and it's and it's still not finished. What it is, I don't really know. Again, another of these skywalks that I don't think goes anywhere. Yes, it doesn't even cross a road, it just don't appear to go anywhere, really. It does cross the car park where you park. Yes. Nicely crossing the car park. That's a song, isn't it? We're on the road to nowhere.
Recognizing travelers from a distant shore. We share the bread and drink the local wine. No words are needed for the simple joy.
As I say, they've been doing this for a number of years, and clearly it's not finished. There's no planting or anything.
The world is wide and we have time to spend.
So to eventually lead you to this old building here, which we happen to know is the old police station. Well, I won't go into details now. So this building in front of me, which has now been covered in steel and a new roof and kind of clad in glass, is the old police station. And don't quote me on this, but I believe this is going to be a museum of some description. I also understand, I remember that when they were going to demolish the old police station, they found archaeological items. So maybe there's a display of them going on. I really don't know. There's no signage, there's no nothing. So, you know, maybe in a year or two's time we can Google it if it's ready. I mean, they've actually got some plants in here. But this new building in front of me seems to be absolutely nothing. A reception for what? So as I say, this is the old police station. So a glass floor section with old water on it, condensation, but there's some steps and things, so maybe it is all underground, and there are some vent pipes I can see sticking up, so maybe they're taking you down into the old area. It's just the old police station with you used to go to a particular door. It was all outside. And you go for your things like if you've got a bar, you go get your permission to have a bar or drinks licenses and things like that from the police station. Criminal record checks and some such things. Yeah. So then we've got some more of the old town square, Kennedy Square this is called. So again, just across the road there we found all under here must be catacombs, rock cut tombs, just like Tombs of the Kings Road, similar thing. And clearly it goes underneath these modern buildings and they've made it into some kind of attraction stroke museum. So back across the road there to Kennedy Square. Popular location for people having wedding photographs. So, and behind Kennedy Square I've got a park area. It's not exactly green and lush. Bit too dry. October the 28th Square. Yes, a lot of people choose to have their wedding photographs on these steps here. Whether they get married inside or not, they come up here and get some photographs taken. I believe you can get married in there. Can you get married in there, Julia?
Yeah, you always could, yes. Yeah.
So there we go, October the 28th Square. So that was our quick look round Paphos Old Town on a lazy Sunday afternoon. Not too busy, no crowds, no weddings, so we can have a better look round. We'll bring you back and let you have a look at the nightlife and the restaurants and bars that are open on an evening in the Old Town in another vlog. So stay tuned. Subscribe and don't forget to like, leave a comment, ask any questions below. Thanks ever so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Bye.
Well, the sun's rising in the morning light, grabbing our bags, we're ready for a flight.